Assalamu alaikum dosto, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discussed about in a topic the top tech and tools you need for talking digital notes. These are the best note talking app and accessories for annotating PDFs, sketching diagrams, recording your next class, lecture and more. For work, school and creative endeavors, you need to take notes, lots of them, short written description of ideas you have, math question copied by hand, picture of whiteboard, audio recording, sketches, pen and paper aside, you can take copies. Beautiful notes on your computer, tablets, or another device. If you have the right kind of accessories and apps for the notes you need to take, we have collected our top tips or recommendation here to help you figure out what works for you. What kind of digital notes can you take? You need different tools to take notes depending on what kind of notes you are talking. So what kinds of notes you can you talk? Let's look at some of the most common notes types and what you might need to make them. Type notes. For type notes, a laptop or tablet with a tablet keyboard works best as long as you know how to touch type. The Logitech keys to go ultra portable Bluetooth keyboard is a lightweight keyboard that's super melee portable, making it a great companion to a tablet for working notes. If you are a student on a limited budget, definitely see our list of the best laptop. For student for advice on what to buy, and if you are in the market for a tablet, there's no need to spend as much on it as you would a computer. Most of the best cheap tablets cost less than $200. Handwritten notes, you can certainly make handwritten notes on paper with the open or pencil of your choice. And you can write by hand on a tablet or any device with a touch screen, like a Chromebook or even a smartphone, as long as you feel it's big enough and sits comfortably in a way to get the job done. Sometimes some note talking apps can turn your handwriting into type next. If you like to read your handwriting, you can also upload photos of your final handwritten pages to a digital note talking app. You could also get a digital notebook, sometimes called a smart folio or hybrid e-book reader. They are niche devices that theoretically look and feel more like paper than a screen when you use a style to write on them. And they digitize what you write. A company called Remarkable has made a few of these notebooks, and so has Onyx, a partnership between Moleskine and Adobe created one a few years ago. These products are unusual in both look and feel, so try to get some hands on time with them before you think seriously about. So guys, annotation essentially means marking up or writing notes on another files like a PDF or JPGs. Sometimes you need to subscribe your notes on a file. Mark where you want to make changes or highlight important information. While there are few ways to edit a PDF, it makes sense to have annotation tools built into a single note talking app that you can use for all kinds of notes so that you do not end up with notes in multiple places. So guys, with this we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.